Okay, up next, these two guys have been here for the last couple weeks. They asked me to read this. Warning, if you want your asses blown out, stay in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, Tenacious D.
So all the ladies in the house, say yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, you motherfucker, say a prayer.
Prayer.
When you fight, you gotta fight fair. You motherfucker, oh, you motherfucker, you know what time it is. Tenacious D time, you motherfucker, go! Fuck yeah! This is a song called The History of Tenacious D, and it's not just a list of things that we've done in the past, but it's also a chronicling of our rise to power. We ride with kings on mighty steeds across the devil's plain. We've walked with Jesus and his cross. He did not die in vain, no! Kyle's fingers be silver, Jack's voice then be gold, but lest you think we're vain, we know it's open mic night, we don't care. Tenacious D, we reign. We reign supreme, oh God. Burrito supreme, and a chicken supreme, and a nacho supreme. Go knockout, go knockout! Supreme!
We rocked. We rocked so hard.
Yeah. We rock.
Screenmaster 5000.
Hey, this is Jack Black in the Tenacious D hotline. Leave a message.
Hey, Jack, Kyle, you there? Okay. This is Paul at the club. Great job the other night. We want to have you guys on next week's show, but you guys got to write a new song, because that one song you keep playing, we've heard a lot. So if you come up with a new song, we'll see you in a week. If not, don't come. Bye.
Where do songs come from? Inspirato. I mean, I could 23 skidoo you a song. I could zippity-doo-dah you a song. But that would be false. It would be wrong.
Jack, come on, let's just write a song.
I mean, you can't manufacture inspirato. It arises from a stillness, a quietude. When your heart mingles with your soul, and oh man, they do the dance. The ancient. I swallowed a bug. Sometimes if you find the rhythm, that's it. You found the song. Yeah.
Good.
Oh, put some stank on it. Put some stank on it. Bah.
Yeah.
Ah, we're taping, right? We're taping, right? Yeah. We're taping, right? Make sure we got this on tape. Ah. Always record. Always record.
You look like it was on.
Sometimes you just gotta clear your head and the song finds you. Rocket sauce, take one. Rocket, rocket, all of my rocket sauce. All of my fucking rocket sauce, all of my rocket sauce. Hey, rocket, rocket, all of my rocket sauce, all of my...
Dude, that's the ice cream song.
I know. Sometimes you gotta leave your zone of safety. You have to manufacture Inspirato. You gotta get out of the apartment. You've got to run with the wolves. You've got to dive into the ocean and bite with the sharks. Or just treat yourself to a delicious hot fudge sundae with nuts. Let's kick it. I'll say kick it, and you'll just kick it with a tasty groove, okay? 1, 2, 3, kick it. Kick it. Come on. God damn it. God, Kyle! Could you one time kick it? What the fuck?
Jack, don't put it all on me. I've been sitting here waiting.
Okay, we've got a crucial clutch cargo gig coming up, Kyle. You cocksucker! You don't give a shit, and I've been sitting around getting sick of your attitude! You fucker! You fucking bitch!
I don't think I like your attitude.
You fucker!
You know what? I quit.
Last week, Kyle quit the band. Now we're back together. Misunderstanding, didn't understand. Doesn't matter, now we're back together again. La 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 la. Couldn't split up Cato and Nash.
That's true.
Couldn't split up Tango and Cash. This is our song of exultant joy because we only came to kick some ass. Rock the fucking house and kick some ass. What we're gonna do with all the cash? Smoke hash and then we're fresh. We'll throw a big old bash, y'all. And everyone is invited to the bash. And everyone, you're all invited to the bash. Come on, Kyle, one time, come on. Damn, we barely made it out of that one, huh, Cage?
Yeah. Hey, I gotta ask you something. I can't make rehearsal this weekend.
Oh, okay, well, we're scheduled. What's your conflict, anyways? Are you needed in Slumberland?
No, it's kind of important. I have to attend my sister's wedding.
Oh, that's legit.
In fact, I'm playing during the reception.
What? No, Kyle, no side projects. You know the deal.
Jack, it's my sister's wedding.
Yeah? Well, what about our blood oath, Kyle? What if some big shit record guy's at the fucking wedding and he cuts you a deal right there, huh? Next thing I know, I'm at the dentist's office and I hear the mellow sounds of the Kyle Gas Project coming over the radio. And all the fucking work I put into nurturing you and your diva fucking bullshit, listening to all your crap, and then fucking covering up all the holes with a or a screw-it-a-dit-dit-dit-dit, and that's all I get. Fuck you, you fucking bitch.
So, you want to come to the wedding and the D will play?
No, but I appreciate being asked. You may play, Kyle. You may play. My best to your sister.